Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abby and welcome to part 8 of the spring series called Spring Your Indoor Plants. In part 8, I'm going to be answering a very important question that many of you guys wants to know, and that is when to repot. Well, the good thing about repotting is that your plant will give you indicators as to when to repot them. And I'm going to be giving you 3 indicators that's going to help you know when to repot your houseplants. Now, there may be other indicators that you all may know about. And if you do know some more indicators, please put it in the comment section because all the other viewers can learn some more indicators. And I can also learn some more indicators. The first indicator that I'm going to be showing you is when a plant roots starts to come upward instead of facing downward into the pot. It is now coming upward into the soil. You see all the roots? That is an indicator that this plant right here needs to be repotted. So anytime you see that, you know it's time to repot the plant. And this is an umbrella plant. Another indicator I'm going to be using is this pothos right here. And I'm going to show you how you can look for another indicator. And I'm just going to try to take it out because I already did. It might make a little mess on my dresser. But okay, right here. See the roots on this? The roots are very bound. It's according to what plant it is that you can make a decision whether you want to repot or not. The roots are very bound on this one right here. And so that's an indicator there, probably, that you need to repot. Now, it's according to what plant. Some plants love to be root bound. And I'm going to make a video of those plants that loves to be root bound so you guys won't get confused as to which plant needs to be repotted when it looks like this and which plant does not. So this plant right here loves to be root bound, so I'm not going to repot this plant right here. Just stay tuned for me to give you the third and the final indicator. The third indicator that your plant needs to be repotted is when your plant needs to be watered more frequently than what you normally waters it. I keep a journal or a diary on when I water my plants or what I do to them. And this plant was watered 2 days ago. And look at it. Already the leaves are drooping and it's begging for water. I also checked that the last time I watered before then, it only lasted about 2 days before it needed watering again. If it lasts 3 days and then it needs some water, that's an indicator that the plant needs to be repotted. Because let me tell you what's going on with this plant here. This plant is sort of old, and so probably what's happening, it has a lot of roots. It has more roots than it has soil. The soil is what keeps the root moist. If there is no soil or not enough soil, the roots are going to dry out faster. And that's why you see that this plant needs to be watered more often than usual. So there's 2 ways you can do it. You can repot it into another pot, or you can just use the same pot, put some soil, add some soil around the bottom. Take the plant out of the pot. Add some soil around the bottom, place the plant right back in the same pot, and add some soil on top and pack it down. And then you'll see that the roots will eventually get into your soil so it won't need to be watered as often. And that's a good way that you can do it. And I think that's the way that I'm going to do this one here. I'm not going to go through the process again, another pot. I'm going to let it stay in the same pot. And then I'm just going to add some soil to this particular pot here, and I think it'll be okay. If it's not going to work, I'm going to check it out. If it still needs to be watered more often, then I just go on and repot it in another pot. But that's how I'm going to do it. That's the easiest way I know to repot this plant. So guys, those are the 3 indicators letting you know it's time to repot. So So I thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, give this video a thumbs up, and share it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.